Sivia Power Bank. We are pressing this power. It's not displaying its percent. There are two charging ports, which means you can look what happened to the charging port. Right here it displays the model and how big is this power bank. It's good to know all this because you know how many phones and what type of phones to use on this power bank. But how are we going to open this? First, let's remove this cover to see. Right, this is the power button, but the percent is not coming out. It's not showing 50, 75 and 100%. This means the power bank is on 0%. Right, you have take a sharp object. May I've got a screwdriver. I'll try like this and push upwards like that. Push upwards like that. Look. This is how you work with sealed gadgets. Right, we have gone to the other side. Take a look there. You press downwards. Do not disturb or damage the batteries of the engine. Do it carefully. Exactly. You see? Right. Let's continue. This side is left. We still have to. But let's continue with the one side like that. Like that. Press downwards. Downwards again. Lastly, you press down until it's open. You get it. Now we have opened the power bank. This is how it looks like. They've got 5 cells in it. These are where we used to see percent. It have got 2 ports, charging ports, but the engine have 3 charging ports. The third is there as a spare. If one got damaged, you then use the third one. 5 cells in this power bank. 3 are connected in parallel and 2 batteries are not connected. We are removing these 2 batteries. They are not connected to the engine. This means it's connected in parallel, and this is negative and positive. Right, these 3 batteries are connected in parallel to this engine. These 2 batteries are not connected. Right, what we are going to do is to test the batteries. The batteries, they don't have power. Let's test from positive and negative of the battery. to see if they've got power. No power. So that means this power bank was not charging or is not charging any phone because it's empty. Let's check when charging. Oh, it's charging and it's on 75%. It's charging the fourth bar, the 100% bar. This means that the client didn't have access to phone to charge this. After this, we are going to test one phone to see if the power bank is still working. Right? There it shows that it's at 100% charging the phone. Now, this is good. This is good. We are going to return these cells there because we want to return the batteries. Here there are two holes there, but there are no way you can put screws to hold the engine. That's our challenge here. On this top cover as well, then there are no way you can make your engine tight, or you can put screws, right? So these are two charging ports, which means the third one is not working at the moment. It's maximum you can charge 2 phones per time. The problem now is that there is this holder which holds the engine from sliding down is broken. This came after the owner tries to charge the power bank. He forced in the charger, end up pushing the engine downwards and cause this holder to break. Let me show you. This is the holder which was holding the engine from sliding down like that. Now, what are we going to do? It's supposed to flash like that light, and the charging port must flash out like that. But because the holder is not there, it's broken, we are going to have this spacer. We are going to put the spacer here. This spacer is going to hold the engine from sliding down, and this can allow us to charge the power bank easily without facing problems. Right, like that. Now it's it's done, but the spacer is still too long. We need to cut a good size which fits in our power bank. Right, as shown in the video, we have a good spacer there, and now we are going to close back the top cover like that. We do the same, the way we opened, the way how we opened is the way how we are. Right, it's closed. If we press this, look, the percent is at 100%. Now the power button is working like that. The power bank is at 100%, which means we are able to charge. Let's test now. You see, it's charging. It's charging. This is good. Right? Let's try again. Look, it's charging. It's on 75%. Right, here we are going to test two phones at one time. Why are we doing this? Before we return the power bank to the owner, we need to know if the battery, the cells are still good. Yeah, we've connected the first phone. It's at 54%. It's charging. It's still at 100%. Imagine if we have weak cells, it was supposed to drag quickly from 100 down to 50 and 25%. Now this is the second phone, which means it's charging two phones at a time. Don't worry, it's off. Look, it's charging. The two phones are on charge. Right, it's on 81%. Right, thank you. Let's disconnect all the phones from the power bank. We have tested and see how strength are the cells. Right, after this, we want to take a USB soldering iron. Let's connect it there and we allow it to heat. Right, like that. We've connected the power bank, the USB soldering. It's on now. Let's give some seconds for us to start working using the gun. Look. So to those who do not have electricity, it's high time for you to use power banks. If this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more.